Welcome to another delicious episode of Seppi Food. Today, we're taking a tasty trip to Turkey and cooking one of its flavorful homemade dishes together. Are you ready? Let's go. Today, I'm going to teach you, step by step, how to make Turkish-style cabbage kofta, a unique, comforting, and absolutely delicious dish. So wash your hands, put on your apron, and join me as we bring this beautiful, flavorful recipe to life. To get started, you'll need 1 medium onion. First, peel it and remove any dry outer layers. Then, using a sharp knife, cut the onion in half and finely dice it into small, even pieces. Try not to leave the pieces too large so they mix well with the other ingredients and release their full flavor during cooking, making your dish more aromatic and delicious. Now pour some oil into a pan and let it warm up a little. Then add the chopped onions and sauté them over low heat until they become soft and slightly golden. This step helps release the onion's aroma and creates a flavorful base for your dish. Take 2 carrots, peel them, and grate them well so they're ready to add to the mixture. Carrots not only add flavor and color, but are also rich in vitamin A, antioxidants, and fiber, which are good for vision, skin, and digestion. Now the grated carrots are ready to be added to the softened onions in the pan. Sauté them together over low heat for a little while so the carrots soften slightly and the aromas of the onions and carrots blend, creating a flavorful base for the rest of the recipe. To make the dish more fragrant, crush 2 cloves of garlic and add them to the pan. Sauté them with the onions and carrots for a while so the garlic's aroma fully develops and enhances the flavor of the dish. Now it's time to chop the cabbage. Take half of a fresh cabbage and remove any outer or damaged leaves. Then cut the cabbage as you like, but it's better to slice it into thin strips so it softens faster during cooking and mixes well with the other ingredients. This will make your cabbage kofta more flavorful and give it a more appealing, uniform appearance. Now, add the chopped cabbage to the ingredients in the pan and sauté over low heat until it softens and becomes tender. After a few minutes, once the flavors have blended, remove the pan from the heat and let the mixture cool completely so it's ready for the next steps. In the meantime, let's prepare the kofta mixture. First, place the ground meat in a bowl, then add 4 tablespoons of cooked rice. Season with some salt, pepper, and turmeric, and add a little dried red chili. Finally, add the cabbage and carrot mixture we prepared earlier. Mix everything well with your hands until all the ingredients are fully combined and ready to shape into koftas. Now it's time to shape the koftas. Take the prepared mixture and gently form it into cylindrical shapes with your hands. Try to make them roughly the same size so they cook evenly. Once shaped, place the koftas in an oven-safe dish, as this will allow you to put them directly in the oven later. This step ensures the koftas cook properly and have a nice, appealing appearance, ready to serve. Now mix 4 tablespoons of tomato paste with some boiling water to make a smooth, thin sauce. Then gently pour this sauce over the koftas so that they're fully coated, giving them a rich flavor and a nice color as they cook. Now place the dish with the koftas in the oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes until they are fully cooked and golden brown. In the meantime, take some fresh parsley and remove any thick or extra stems. Then chop the leaves finely and evenly. This will help release the fresh aroma and flavor of the parsley, and it will also make the koftas look more appealing and appetizing when served. Now, our delicious koftas are ready to serve. You can enjoy them with strained yogurt. The combination of the koftas and yogurt creates an amazing, flavorful experience that everyone will love. I hope you try making this delicious Turkish dish and enjoy its amazing flavor. To discover more tasty dishes from around the world, be sure to subscribe to the Seppi Food channel. Thank you for joining me today. Love you all!